First of all, I must say, I must applaud the players. I think they worked very hard. They applied them very well, for themselves very well. Our structure was good, especially the first time that I'm lucky that we considered the goals we considered. That was the difference of this game. But the mistakes that we did, they punished us. But then they did a lot of mistakes. I think we had a lot of, one would say, we won't be able to get them because we're looking at the clear goal scoring chances in front of the coach. But the moments that we had a lot of transitional moments from the first one time where we could have had a lot. And maybe we could have been 4-4 or 5-2. Just that the decision making, either the guys can take the extra touch and get it far, or we wanted to pass it early, or we play where after winning the ball where they had numbers which is what we play there. They had a good outlet there, Kalisa and the Rezo, they were giving us a good outlet for us. But I don't think we used them enough after breaking it. That was the difference. But the effort of the guys, I think they applied themselves very well. The difference is that any mistakes that we did against Sundowns, we got punished. Then and then when they got second half, structure, we could have scored. In the first 5 minutes, we could have scored goals, but maybe 2-2. Because going to be just like I said, decision making in front of the goal. They couldn't play back then and then we could have got it. However, we lost a bit of structure in the second half and then they managed to get that goal. But other than that, I'm happy with the performance of the guys. I think they give them it gives us hope going forward. The next game, I can tell you that even if we can play like this, we're able to win the game as long as we cannot concede goals like that.
Coach, what positives do you take from this game and areas of concern are you willing to correct?
I just said it now that we had a lot of transition, good moments just for us to say we have to decide better. And the guys played very well. And I said to you, the negativity is just that let us not concede goals like that.
After scoring the second goal, coach, you look like you can strike a serious comeback there. Would you say that maybe better decisions should have been done, especially when it comes to the final third?
Since you are asking the same question, I said the mistakes that we did, just that we had those moments. And especially Sundowns doesn't lose the ball in the middle. How many times that we won the balls? And it's not like we knew that they want to come there, play through the middle, we stop them. The only challenge that we had is that they had Reynas and Shalunde and Ribeiro. And if you check them, they were not playing as wide strikers. They were very narrow, they were close to each other. And the ball that they were playing, they were just playing over the top. They were the speed of Reynas, the speed of Shalunde. But we managed, for a few minutes, they gave us problems. But other than that, really, I still think that we applied ourselves better in terms of after we regaining possession, we did better decision making. See the outlets that we agreed that we can use, not playing when there's traffic. We could have got something. I believe that we could have got something, even a draw. I would have accepted because these guys they pushed really well.
The next game is the London Cup election.
One game at a time. Let's see. Nedbank, we just focus this one. We're playing on Sunday. Let's see who's available, who's not. And they go there. Every game that we play, we want to win it. We're in Nedbank, we want to win it. We're in the bedroom, we actually want to go up pushing on the lock. So we're going to go there. We're not going to take that team easy at all. We know that previously, they won some games from the PSL teams, so we are taking each and game very serious, and we are going to Devon, going to fight. We know that it's not going to be easy, but there's a lot of positives that you can take here. The good thing is just to go and check. The guys, when we do our analysis, they will see that they've done a better decisions than we could have come up with something today.
Coach, what do you make of Sean's performance since he came back in the last 2 games he played with the team?
Everyone is doing well, and I'm happy for him. He's doing well.
Did he play rugby today?
Sorry?
Did he play rugby?
Who?
Raila.
He has been playing right back, so Kenyan guys was the same thing. Masun was more than playing. Just that you see him going forward a lot, you think that is the way we set up our movements are synchronized and he understands. He's the guy that we've been missing. So yeah, he's playing as a right back, but you see him all the time. So I think there's another assist again today.
Yeah, so that's why I'm asking.
No,
That's
he's
why
a right back, that's for sure.
How frustrating were I think there were 2 or 3 chances I thought with the 3
They are not frustrated. There are teams that can't even create, can't even get.